Everyone thinks making a good game takes forever, with big teams and years of work. But what if I told you that could soon change? Elon Musk's xAI is building an AI that can help create games much faster, in a fraction of the time. I've spent weeks studying everything xAI is planning, and in this video, I'll show you how this new tech could make game development quicker, easier, and more creative, what challenges it might bring, and how it could completely change the gaming world. So let's get into it. Imagine if making a game wasn't about writing code or designing every small detail by hand, but about teaching an AI how the real world works. That's what Elon Musk's company, xAI, is now trying to do with something called world models. World models are special AIs that can learn how things move and behave in real life, like how gravity works, how light bounces, or how people and objects interact. They learn this by watching videos and studying data from the real world. So instead of just showing what something looks like, the AI actually understands how it should act. xAI has reportedly hired top researchers from Nvidia to train these models, and Musk has said they plan to release a fully AI-generated game before the end of next year. If that happens, it could be one of the biggest changes in gaming history. Usually, making a game takes years. Big studios have to design every level, every character, every tiny movement. Even the best open-world games can take 5 to 10 years to make, but world models could change that completely. Instead of programming every single thing, game developers could just describe how the world should look and behave, and the AI would build it automatically. Want a city where every car moves naturally and every person reacts to you? AI can make it happen in minutes. This means smaller creators, or even one-person teams, could make huge, detailed games that used to take hundreds of people. It makes game creation faster, cheaper, and much more open to anyone with an idea. Of course, there's a downside. When anyone can make a game, there will be a lot of low-quality ones too. We'll probably see thousands of rushed or boring AI-made games at first, just like how there are millions of low-effort videos or AI artworks online now. But that's how progress always starts. When the printing press was invented, it filled the world with bad books before great ones came along. When smartphones came out, there were too many useless apps before we got the ones we actually use today. The same thing will happen here. The best creators will use AI to make amazing experiences faster than ever. Future, where your favorite game doesn't stay the same each time you play. The world could change based on what you do. Characters could learn from you, the story could shift, and the game could grow with your choices. That's what world models make possible. Games that feel alive. And since this is Elon Musk's company, it's not just about games. xAI's bigger goal is to build AIs that understand the world deeply. Using games as training grounds makes sense because games are like small versions of the real world. If they can teach AI how things work in games, that knowledge could later be used in robotics, education, and even real-world problem solving. So yes, some bad games will flood the market, but out of that chaos, great ones will rise faster than ever. Anyone with an idea could create something incredible, no big studio needed. The future of gaming isn't just about better graphics or faster devices. It's about smarter worlds, ones that can think, grow, and change just like the people playing them.